Are you ready to stake your claim and become a crypto millionaire? The first highly profitable crypto trading system. Discover how you could turn $50 into up to $95,701.25. You've read dozens of stories of people who have made millions investing in Bitcoin. This is your chance to get in on the most lucrative investment opportunity taking the world by storm in 2018. Today, we're going to show you how to start investing in cryptocurrencies with as little as $20. Dear investor, my name is Roger Fitzpatrick. I'm here to let you know about the single biggest financial opportunity I have ever seen in my life. In the last several months, stories about the cryptocurrency market have become inescapable. The development of this new economy is helping a lot of people become very rich. Twin brothers James and Julian Spediacci bought significant amounts of Ethereum for less than 30 cents each. Ethereum is now trading well over $700, an enormous return on investment. Soon, I'll be introducing you to more crypto millionaires. But that's not why I'm speaking to you today. I'm talking to you today for one reason and one reason only. I want to give you the tools to become a cryptocurrency millionaire. Here's the thing. Most people don't know about coins other than Bitcoin, Ripple, and Ethereum. In fact, few even know about Litecoin. Yet, there are over 1,500 cryptocurrencies trading in the world, each with their own functionality and purpose. Dozens are launching daily, and they're showing a strong upward trend over the last year. Take a look at the gains of a number of emerging cryptocurrencies. Here's what you need to know. There are 1,500 cryptocurrencies trading in the world right now. That's as many as 1,500 opportunities to build wealth fast. And all you're going to need to do is have the courage to move when you know that a coin is about to explode in value. Some of these coins have increased in value by as much as 100 times in a matter of days. And if you can ride one of them, you can become rich. Not every coin is a success story. You are going to need to be willing to take risks within reason. But even an investment of $20, if it's the right investment, could become $2,000 or more overnight. Consider Ethland, which more than tripled in value in less than a week, or QuantStamp, which did it in a matter of days, or Request Network, which jumped 900% over the course of a month. These moves could turn a tiny starting investment into tens of thousands of dollars in weeks. I am going to show you how you can make serious money from cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to make it easy, even if you've never invested in anything before in your entire life. Now then, I want you to take a moment and think about something important. If you want to live a thrilling, exciting life from here on out, how much money would you need? I don't mean living in a cramped apartment, eating lousy food, and being stuck there forever. I mean the best case scenario possible, one where you get everything you've ever wanted. Is it $1 million? Is it 2? Is it 5? Here's the thing. The cryptocurrency market can make your dreams a reality, and smart, low-stakes investments can change your life. The cryptocurrency market is the hottest economic opportunity of our lifetimes. Consider how many stories you've read about Bitcoin in the last several months. Consider the fact that trading has maintained a strong upward trend with exponential growth. Compare that with the stock market, dominated by big banks and predatory investors. There's never been as drastic an economic shift as there is right now in cryptocurrency. It's never been easier to get started with a little bit of cash. You need to be willing to lose it. Not every crypto performs well in the short term. But this opportunity also offers unprecedented life-changing gains. Consider Daniel Colosi, a construction worker. He turned a $5,000 investment into $200,000. At this rate, he will be a millionaire by the end of the year. Or Eric Finman. Finman made a deal with his parents, who are both Stanford graduates. If he was a millionaire by the time he was 18, he wouldn't have to go to college. Finman ended up dropping out of formal education even sooner. His parents agreed to let him quit high school when he was 15. Since then, he has made over $1.5 million. And Eddie Zillen. Eddie invested his entire $12,000 savings into Ethereum when he was 18. Cash he earned teaching tennis lessons and gifts from his bar mitzvah. 3 years later, Zillon's investment has yielded a profit of $1.1 million. You could do it too, and quit your job, travel the world, and live the way you've always wanted to. You only need a little bit of cash. And which currencies are set to appreciate? Cryptocurrency investing is very lucrative and could turn you into a millionaire with a little bit of guidance. You have the power to rack up a massive fortune in a matter of weeks. I want you to make note of one key detail. Nothing like this has ever happened before. That's why I've created a foolproof system designed to keep you one step ahead of the experts. Designed to catch these moments of spectacular growth before they happen. But before we get there, have you thought about what you do with millions? Here's a question for you. What would you do with an extra million? Would you quit your job? Would you move somewhere new? Spend your time doing whatever you want, whenever you want. Here's the thing. It's your money to do anything with. You can buy a vacation house or a boat. You could drive a Bentley or a Lamborghini. You have the opportunity to spend months out of the year on vacation. It's your call. These things are all within reach when you have complete and total freedom. No bills to worry about. No surprise expenses like a trip to the dentist or an auto repair knocking out all your savings. That's what's in store for you. Of course, it's not guaranteed, but these gains are available to everyone. If you make the right play at the right time, you could transform your life in a matter of weeks or days. And here's the best part. You need no more than $200 or even $20 to get started. Here's the fact. These explosions will be happening regardless of what you choose to do now. You know what can happen. You know cryptocurrency can make people very rich. You now know blockchain technology is changing the world. And you know that this is only the beginning. Look at the strong upward trends for major cryptocurrencies. In 2017, Bitcoin grew almost 2,000%. That's a pretty incredible 12 months. But Bitcoin isn't all that's out there. Remember, there are over 1,500 new digital currencies in the world and more created every day. And, like Bitcoin, some of them are making massive gains. Take a look at NEM. That's growth of 5,333,201% in 1 year. And there's more to come. That means that there are a lot of opportunities to make a lot of money. If you trade smart and buy and sell at the right moment, you set yourself up for a massive potential profit. Right now, cryptocurrency can change your life. We can't guarantee that every crypto is going to go to the moon. In fact, some definitely won't. But what I can tell you is the ones that are. For example, over a period of 5 days, Tron made massive gains, growing from 4 cents to 21 cents. That's an increase of 500%. And that would have turned $1,000 into over $5,000 in only 5 days. Now, if you've been willing to invest $5,000 into TRX, you could have ended up with $25,000. This is why we're so excited. Right now, cryptocurrencies are seeing gains between 300% and 3,000% almost every single day. Yet few people know where to look or how to take advantage of this opportunity. There's no central exchange for cryptocurrencies. There are too many coins. There are countless dead ends, conflicting opinions, and time wasters out there. A few folks are lucking out each year, but that's luck. Few publications are covering these coins fast enough for you to make the trades that could change your life, even if they're covering them at all. In fact, they are only now writing about Bitcoin as the world wakes up to its potential. All things considered, it is very unlikely you'll hear about the next crypto about to explode from the mainstream media. Your financial advisor is only interested in slow money. If you've got the time, great. If you've got a life to live, there's one world where speed and money intersect right now: cryptocurrency. So, I want to ask you another question. Do you want money now, or do you want it in 2049? If you want to invest and see the rewards, this is your chance. It's bigger than the booms of the 20th century, and it could free you from your job, your debts, and anything else in your way. Most of the currencies I've told you about traded for close to nothing at one time. Many of them are still quite small, smaller than penny stocks even, and this can be risky. If you want to be among the next generation of crypto millionaires and see gains of your own, you have got to be willing to take a little risk to get in on the ground floor of the future of our economy. It's happening almost every day. I can't stress this enough. For every success story, there are 100 cryptocurrencies that underperform. If you want big wins, you need to be able to do more than tell bad from good. You need to be able to tell good from great. You need expert help. Not from some Wall Street day trader who read 3 articles about Bitcoin last year. Not from some 20-something who lucked out one day. You need to know which currencies are actually good ones and why. The latest in the crypto world and how it's going to impact portfolios. When to buy in, when to sell to reap massive rewards. That's where I come in. I'm here to set you up for success in this complex new world. It all comes down to the right trade at the right time. That's what cryptocurrency can do for you. It can change your life. You may not see a gain quite like that, and even if you do, you may miss your chance. But we can find new trades set to perform very well, which can then lead to even bigger trades. You can either keep reading other people's success stories, or you can write your own. There's nothing like what's going on with cryptocurrencies in any other market. It's the creation of new currency, the beginning of a new frontier, and the winners are winning big. That's why this matters. I have the experts' contacts, the ones who started studying cryptocurrencies early, those who were rewarded handsomely for doing so, to provide you with the knowledge you need to take advantage. If you've been thinking about making some serious money, here's how you take the first steps. But if you want to move on this, you need to get moving now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. I am going to show you how you can find cryptocurrencies that may grow by over 1,000%. I will show you what they are, how to buy, and when to sell. I want to reiterate something. The cryptocurrencies I'm talking about are still small, like pennies or fractions of pennies each. This is for investors comfortable taking a few calculated risks. This is for investors who want to make a real fortune, who want to move fast, and will take a tiny risk in hopes of a big reward. If that's you, then I'm ready to help you succeed. I want you to know how to see all the signs that a cryptocurrency is hot and ready to rise, and if it's headed back down fast, so you can make major gains in days. Introducing the Crypto Signal System. We've created a proprietary system designed to find future cryptocurrency success stories. I can't tell you everything behind how it works, but here's what you need to know. It weeds out the majority of the 1,500 plus cryptocurrencies out there that aren't positioned for success, and then rigorously vets many key factors, including how hard the coins are to mine, the total supply of coins, and its perception in many different markets. It leaves you with the winners. The Crypto Signal System will tell you which currencies to buy, how to buy them, when to sell. The Crypto Signal System shows you how to watch the market to identify huge gainers. This could very well turn you into a genuine crypto millionaire. You know it's true. You know that the gap between those that have and those that don't has never been wider? That gap has never been easier to cross. But we can't tell everyone how to do it. Why? These coins are small. We only want investors who are ready to move fast, who understand the volatile nature of this market, and who are ready to follow instructions to achieve massive gains on small cryptocurrencies in record time. We are not holding. We invest. We watch these currencies rise in value, we sell, and we keep the profit. It might be days. It might be weeks. Whenever it happens, you'll be able to tell that the time is right. Using our tools, there's a good chance that you'll be able to spot at least 2 to 3 new investment opportunities. Opportunities that could help you become a crypto millionaire in months or even weeks. You don't need to know anything about investing at all. You don't need any experience. You don't even need a whole lot of money. You can start with as little as $20, but you need to be smart. You need to be ready and willing to take the calculated risks and win big. I want you to have the chance to take a tiny investment, think even $200 up to as much as $5.1 million. And this will only cost you $37. It may not lead you that far, but even if you walk away with up to $10,000, that's still a 20,000% return on your investment. Now then, I've talked a lot about risk, but I want this to be one of the most comfortable comfortable investments you ever make. That's the reason I'm now offering you a 60-day full money-back guarantee. You can see how you like the crypto signal system for 60 days, and if it's not for you, you can ask me for a full refund. No questions asked. There's no commitment. All you need to do is contact us, and we'll refund your investment right away. That means you get to test drive our services and see that we're ready to deliver. So, if you're ready, and you see the Add to Cart button on the right, it means you can sign up right now. I can't take too many new members. If you reach the order form, you are in. If you're ready to become a part of history and set yourself up better than ever to become a crypto millionaire, click the big Add to Cart button to the right. I can't promise you a new life, but I can tell you that this may very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is your shortcut to wealth in a world that tries very hard to keep it in the hands of a select few. Act now. Join the Crypto Signal system for a one-time fee of $37. Enter your email to the right and get the Crypto Signal system for $37. Register sooner, not later. I'm only taking a few more signups, and I do mean that. Enter your best email now and hit Add to Cart. Don't exit this page. I cannot guarantee this opportunity will be available beyond the end of today. Take action now before it's too late. Join Crypto Signals risk-free for the next 60 days. Enter your email to the right and hit Add to Cart.